there, and we'll come back underneath here. So we'll let that into there. We'll cut it off there. Right, okay, I'll be there now.
Are they left-handed scissors?
No, I cut right-handed. I cut right-handed.
Yeah, you got left-handed screwdrivers, haven't you?
I got left-handed scissors, but it's your mother that can only cut left-handed. I can cut right-handed.
See, I can't see anything.
I can't see because it's too bright on that little crystal display.
I just got to know where I'm pointing.
Aim to the left, shoot to the right.
Is this fat Coke?
No, that's black currant.
It's foul to me.
That's chicken soup. Well, it's shedding like water off the duck's back, so that says something.
Of course, if you find it don't take very well, what you have to do is you have to put a little bit of washing up liquid in with it. I think that's what it. I think it'll tell you right here.
I'll put plenty on the ridge.
Only if it's silicone based, yeah, it will bond to cotton, polyester, and strong water.
Scott's gone.
Fabsilled unprinted leather. How do you use that? Oh, actually, it don't say about squirting it on. It says paint it on.
Yeah, well, I ain't got the arms for it today, to be honest.
No. It says a litre of Fabsilled will cover up to 18 metres of nylon, 7.5 metres of lightweight, and 5 metres of medium weight. Right? Well, that's not.
This ain't needed.
No, this is heavy jute.
This is good old school stuff.
Yeah, this is heavy jute. That's what we need to
Don't
just
breathe
make.
it in, Mum.
That's what we need to make sure is. That's right. Once you can still see the outline when what you've already done.
Yeah. Or just sort of spiral down. That's a cracker. One metal, Dad, please. Cheers.
Sweet.
Haven't you got one of those?
Hey?
Haven't you got one of those pumpy things?
Well, I've got the boots over about £1, I think.
I'm surprised you haven't picked up some MERV 6 Warheads bloody boot sale, they all lot.
See, the thing is, it's like a lot of people, you go there and sometimes you see something and you think, well, that's stupid leaving that there. You know, you think that's
It's like those camp beds, isn't it? We'll never use them, you and I.
They were a fiver, those camp beds.
The crap ones are 20.
Yeah, yeah, but that one, I'm still sure it's Ray Mears. Who are Mears do you know? That's what I'm saying. But who with a camp bed? A proper camp bed, who do you think Ray R. Mears? See, I mean, it don't matter so much about when it gets out here, do it? Because of course it's not on the... Eh?
Weathering.
And it's the same with the doors. It don't matter quite so much, you know, with the doors, because the doors are up straight.
Yeah.
It's the slope inside.
Yeah.
It's the pitching. Yes, that's drying nicely. See, on these tents, you can roll the walls up.
Yeah.
And we've camped and put the walls up, haven't we, Dawn?
Yeah, because they got the toys in the corner, haven't they? That's. Now this, yes, this is 50 years old. But it's up. It's checked. It's Fabsilled. Got the bed up. Yes, you need a humongous lever to get the last stay on the end. But from yourself and Senor Dusty Pilgrim and numero uno should be just right. Look at the repairs on that. It's got 50 years of repairs on it. But bit of daylight never hurt anyone. So thanks, Dad. It's got my 6 blades out.